Hey, it's Busy Beaver Reviews here. I received this portable electric nail drill and I just want to tell you all about it. I'm going to go and open up, show you what it's in here. So it does come with everything you need. You have your instruction manual. You have the, if I can get it out, the pack that you can clip onto you. This is what controls the nail drill itself. You have the nail drill right here, a couple of different attachments. And then you have your like nice little brush to brush off any, excess dust from that. You have your charger. You got a couple attachments here and here. And this is what is going to attach them together. So all you have to do is put that there. Here at the bottom, and you can just turn it right on. So you just twist this to the right, and you'll see right there, it's not completely charged. I did charge it just a little bit. It's at 26 RPM, go all the way up to 40, and you can see the F right there. That means forward. If you press this one, it's reverse, so it'll go the other way. And then you can always pause it as well, and then hit play again, and then just turn it right off. This is such a great product. I absolutely love it when I'm doing my nails. As you can see, I already did my nails. So I do love this product, and I highly recommend it.